Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are reading at home and learning a lot of things. Okay. So for the class 3 children, the lesson number 5 is about the birds. Okay. That is in the science subject. Okay. As you can see, the subject, the page number is 184. 184 children. Here the birds, about the birds. So could you tell me, like, birds have what speciality? Yes, they can fly. And how they will eat? Yes, they eat with their beak. They can fly. Why? How they can fly? Because they have wings. Okay. So if if the person has the wings, is he able to fly? Or the human beings, will they able to fly? No, they have only the hands. So their feathers are called as forelimbs, as our hands are called as forelimbs. Their forelimbs are called as wings. Okay. So all birds are same? No. So different types of birds are present and different types of birds are present. Do you know children, like all birds can't fly. Few birds are flightless. They have wings, they have feathers, but their body doesn't suit their wings to fly. Okay, such as ostrich, and it is one of the largest bird in the world. Okay, this is the introduction part. This is the introduction part of the birds. So if you will see the birds, what you can imagine? You imagine like if you can fly, then you can see all the world. Yes, but there are few things which are different from birds and as well as human beings. Okay, like we are mammals, but they are not mammals. We are giving direct birth to the young ones, but they are laying the eggs, right? And they can fly, we can't fly. Our bodies are very large from there. Yes, those are the differences. But in this chapter we are going to learn about the different types of birds. Okay children, so here in this first one, make a bird feeder and a bird bath in your garden on your balcony. Lots of other friends will visit you. If you will do like this children, if you will do like this, then a lot of friends, you can like attract your friends. Yes, you can invite them. Yes. Next. Okay. So what the birds have, that what they have children, first they can fly. They can fly, that is the reason. What they have? They have wings. They have feathers. I will tell you later in this what are the differences between the wings and feathers. Okay, next one is what they have? Beaks. Okay, and what they have? Claws. And what they have? The hind limbs, they are called as legs. They can fly, they can perch on the branches. Okay, so all the wings are same? No. All the feathers are same for the birds? No. All the beaks are same? No. And all the claws are same? No. They are different. And all the legs are same? No, because in some birds it is different in sizes, because as per their body, their surroundings, it is like that. Okay, now different kinds of beaks. First one we are going to learn what children? Different kinds of beaks. First one is different kinds of beaks. This is the lengthy chapter children, so we have to, it will take some time. So what is the first one children? What is the first one? Which type of? First one is strong, sharp and hooked beak. As you can see, strong, sharp and hooked beak. So here in this the eagles, vultures, hawks, kites and owls are birds of prey. What do you mean by birds of prey? The first one type is strong, sharp and pointed. Okay, strong, sharp and pointed. So that are for eagles, vultures, okay, and they are called as birds of prey, means they eat the flesh of other animals and they can catch the prey and they can eat them. That is called as birds of prey. What that called as? Birds of prey. Okay children, what is the next? What is the next type of beak? That is short, hard and pointed beak. Next one is short, hard and pointed beak. Okay, short, hard and pointed beak is for sparrows, pigeons and crows. These are all different types of this one. Peacocks, finches. You can see here children, the finches, all the birds of prey are these. The eagle, the vulture, the owl, the hawk. These are flesh eating animals. They are called as birds of prey. They can tear the flesh. Okay. Finches, this type of beak help to pick up and crush the grains. These are called as birds of prey. They can eat the grains. Okay children. Next one is strong and curved beak. Okay. Here shall I write here? Strong and curved beak. Strong and curved beak. So for whom they have short and curved beak children? See how the beak of this is short and curved. This is curved. Short and strong and curved beak. It should be strong and it is curved. But what about the birds of prey? That is sharp, strong, sharp and pointed. That will be pointed. Okay, as you can see here, they are pointed because they have to tear the flesh. But what about the short and hard pointed? This see, very sparrows have a very short beak. Pigeon have very short beak and it is very hard. It is not pointed. Okay. Okay, it is also pointed also, so that they can pinch, they can take the grains and they can eat. Sorry children. Peacock. Peacock also had short, hard, pointed beak. Next one is short and curved beak is for parakeets. This is for parakeets or parrot. Do you know children, like parrots are very nice. Okay, they are very beautiful in nature. They are in green in color, their beaks is red in color, and if it is pointed, that it can crack the nuts also. Yes, it can crack the nuts, it can crack the it can take the seeds very easily. And you know, one of the favorite food is for that is chili, green chilies or red chilies. Yes. Next one is strong and chisel shaped beak. Okay, here I can write. Strong and chisel or chisel, anything you can say children. Chisel. Okay, here you can see strong and chisel type of beak. It is sharpened. Okay, so for that it is woodpecker. Strong and chisel shaped beak is for woodpecker. Anytime did you see children, like which type of beak is for woodpecker? Woodpecker is like it can its nest is very, what you call as, very different in nature. It's like it just what you call as, if it is a tree and it can take the pointed beak and it is continuously stucking in them, hitting them, and it prepares the nest in them, okay, in the trees. That is the reason it has what children? Strong and chisel type of beak. Okay, it is tapping the bark of the tree. Okay, that is called as trunk of the tree. Okay, next one is broad and short beak. Broad and short beak. This is fourth one. Broad and sharp beak. Broad and sharp. So for whom this one will be there children? Let us see. Okay, it is a swallow bird. It is a swallow bird. One of the bird is swallow. How cute it is! Wow, so nice. Very short, very broad and very short beak. Okay, and it is very sticky inside. You know children, it is what it will do, the swallow bird, it will open the mouth. Okay. So what happened, all the flies and insects are there. Now it is the bird, the beak of that swallow is very sticky, and when the flies are around it, it is stick to the beak and it will eat them. You know, this is very easy for them. So you know children, these many types of birds, these many types of beaks are present. Okay. Next one is long and slender beak. Long and slender beak. Long and slender beak for what? Hoop. This is hoop. Hoop. Hoop children. See, wow, very nice. Na? This one bird is, it's like a, actually this is the crown, it is like a crown of the bird, right? So that crown of bird is also called a hoop. Yes. So the hoop to pull the insects from the holes in the ground, for this it has long and slender beak. So it is very long and slender, very long and slender beak. Okay, that is for hoop. Okay. So what it does? Why this bird has this long and slender beak? Because see, in the insects are crawling and they are going into the bark of the tree. Okay. And if on the leaves also, in the flowers also. So the beak of this slender beak, it will take the insects from there and then it will eat out. That is the purpose of the long and slender beak. You can see here it's long and slender beak. Okay. Next one is broad and flat beak. Broad and flat beak. Okay, so obviously the broad and flat beak, you know, that is this one, this is type of beak, that is obviously duck. So most of the time you have seen what you call as Donald Duck, or what you call as yes, Donald Duck, I think. So always you can see in the cartoon also children, right, that is very flat and long what beak is present for the broad and flat beak of a duck has tiny holes on the sides. The duck takes the muddy water insects, worms and water plants. The mud and water flow out through the tiny holes, leaving the plants and insect inside the beak. Okay children, what is the purpose for these beak children? So that's the purpose of this beak is like this type of beak is present. Here the side holes are present, in which when the duck is swimming in the water around the mud, you know children, most of the ducks, they are swimming where they are staying where the most of the mud is present, right, like in pond. Yes. So so what happened when they just taking the beak and into the water, so what happened, through the holes the insect and the worms are entered into the beak, leaving the plants and other mouth outside, so that can easily eat the insects. Okay children, I hope you have understand this. Okay, these are all the different types of beaks. Okay, next time we will learn about the feet and claws of the birds. Okay children. So you can see, just I am going through one of all the, I will just give the examples for each and every one. Okay, first one is strong, sharp and pointed, that is what you call as hawk, eagle, vulture, the birds of prey. Okay, short, hard, pointed is for what children? Peacock, finches, all these types of birds. Okay, strong and curved beak, that is obviously parakeet or parrot. Okay, long and chisel type of beak, that is for woodpecker. Strong and chisel type beak is woodpecker. Next is broad and sharp beak is for swallow. Okay, long and slender beak, that is hoop, and last one broad and flat beak is for what? Duck. So I hope you have learnt, and you have enjoyed, and I hope different, you can now onwards you can observe the surroundings, which type of which birds are present, and in your surroundings also, at your home also, near to your home also, you can find out which type of beaks are present, and you can understand, right, by checking your textbook, by listening through the different videos. Okay children? Yes, I hope you have learnt. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Thank you children.